Okay, now let's try to answer sample assignment 1. Okay, for sample assignment 1, okay, you're required to answer using Google Sheets. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to view assignment, click view assignment, and here you can see the actual Google Sheet that you will need to answer. And if done, you just need to click turn in. Okay, so when you click the actual Google Sheet, it will open to another file or another tab. Okay, and you will write your answers directly here. So again, anything that you will type here will be automatically saved in your Google Drive. Okay, so assuming that you're done already with this, okay, you just need to click the X, or you just need to close this particular tab. Okay, and then you need to go back to the original window. Okay, here. Assuming you're done, this file will be replaced by the one in your Google Drive, and just need to click turn in. Okay, so with that, you've already finished sample assignment 1. Okay, okay, now we move on to sample assignment 2. Okay, for sample assignment 2, okay, you are required. So again, you can just click view assignment. You're required to get a book or any reading material nearest to you. Turn to page 20. Check the 20th line on that page. Take a picture of that line by highlighting it and submit it here as a JPEG file. So assuming that you have taken the picture and save it in your phone or laptop as a JPEG file, you just need to click add or create. And then you can choose here either the file is in Google Drive or from your desktop or laptop. So just click file. Okay. And then if you need to upload the file, just click upload and browse. Okay. So once you've uploaded the file, just mark as done. So that's for sample assignment 2. Okay. Now we move on to the next. Okay, so we will try to answer a PDF file directly on a PDF file, but not the whole PDF file, only a particular page. Okay, so for sample PDF file to answer, you just click the view assignment, and the instruction there is to answer page 3 only. Okay, so what you need to do first is to click on the actual file, the original file, and then it will open to a separate window. Okay. Okay, do not open this with Google Docs. Okay, instead, if you look at the print icon, click on it. Okay, and then again, it will open to another window, but still in this particular format. So what you need again is to click on the print icon. Okay, and then if you look here, there is a destination setting save as PDF. Okay, so it is print, but it's saved as PDF. The file will be saved as PDF. Now, instead of all pages, click on custom, and then just write or enter page 3. So if you can see here, only the page that we are interested in will be saved as PDF. So click save. Okay, so I'll just use this file name, page 3 version 2, and just save it in the desktop. Okay, so stop share first. Let's look at my desktop. Okay, So in my desktop, okay, you can see here the page 3 version 2. Okay, now it is advisable to use an actual Adobe Acrobat Reader to open this, not Microsoft Edge. So you need to right-hand click here, open with Adobe Acrobat Reader. Okay, now I hope you can see this particular screen. Now please take note. This is only page 3 of the original file. Okay. So for you to actually do something here, like edit it, actually answer it, please look at that pen icon, click on it, okay? And then there are additional tools here for text box, for X, for check, for encircling or underlining or point. Okay, so let's try putting a name. So double click, okay? Sample, this is my name. Okay, we're done there. And the instruction here is put a check mark next to the things you like to do. Okay, so I'll click on the check mark and then, for example, read about science, try to understand how things work, do science experiments, observe nature. Okay, next we move on to the next part. So circle 5 things. So there's a circle icon here. So when you click on this, okay, it's not really an actual circle, but it's a bit rectangular, so it's okay. Your circle may not be that perfect, okay? And you can do this like for any other answer, okay? You just need to extend this, okay? Now for the last part, now you need to actually encode or place short answers here. So let's use the text box. Then click and then you can just say work alone. Okay. And then write at least 2 sentences. Let's just say science is fun. Science is learning practical applications. Okay, so let's say we're done. Okay, so what you need is to save this using another file name, or you can actually overwrite the original file, but for me I like to rename this into page 3 version 2 with answers so that I could differentiate. Okay, okay, if you're done with that, let's go back to the original window. Okay, so let's go back to the original window here of your assignment. So here you have add or create. So I will upload the file that I answered. So upload, browse, and then this is my desktop and this is the file that I answered, page 3 version 2 with answers, and then open. Okay. Okay, now assuming you uploaded the answer already or the correct file, you just click turn in and then you're done with the sample PDF file to answer. Okay. Okay. You understand now? So I hope you'll be able to apply this in our succeeding exercises. Okay.